Subscribe to Let's Review channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on my future videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Let's Review. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and review a budget Bluetooth speaker. Let's get started. Before starting the video, I thank Changman for sending me this product. Make sure you check him out. He has some really cool products. I will have a link in the description down below. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging is also pretty good. Now let me speed up the process, as this might take some time. Now let's see what is written on the box. At the bottom we have got the product name, that is YST-175, and on the right side we have got the product features. I will be telling you later in the video. The next thing you get is the key functions, which I will be discussing later in the video, and these are the product specifications. Now let's begin with the unboxing. We will see what we get inside the box. Let's take a look at the accessories we get. We get a 3.5mm jack aux cable. This can be very helpful for non-Bluetooth devices. We get a micro USB cable, which is suitable for charging, and we get the Bluetooth speaker itself. At last we get the user manual. Make sure you read the user manual, as this might be very helpful. The instructions are both in English, so it will be very helpful. First impression of the speaker is very good. The design is totally awesome. I love the shape and size of the speaker. It is approximately the size of a tennis ball. Now we will get to the review in detail. Let's now talk about its design. The speaker is perfectly cylindrical and flattened at the bottom to give a good grip. The speaker is compact and easy to carry. It can fit inside your bag easily. You can take it away with you for your journey, as it is compact. The speaker is just 80 cm, or we can say 80 mm. It just weighs around 200 grams. It is good for travelers. That was all about its design. Now let's move on to its buttons and features. It has 6 buttons in total, 1 on the top and 5 at the bottom. The bottom switch is used to turn on and off this device. I am going to turn off the speaker as the lights make it difficult to see. You can easily turn it off by pressing the off button. On the top we have the pause and play button, which you can use it to pause or play a video or a song. Next comes in the volume adjustments. Pressing and holding the button will increase or decrease the volume, and pressing it once can easily change the track of the music. This Bluetooth speaker has an inbuilt FM, which you can access by pressing the M button, which denotes mode. It has 4 different modes. They are normal Bluetooth mode, FM mode, TF mode, and finally the line in mode. This mini beast has also got a button for hands-free calling. Now let's move on to its features and working. It has got an international advanced Bluetooth chip and a circuit design technique in supporting all kind of Bluetooth device. It supports TF card or the micro SD card. It has fast and smart charging. You can connect it to any Bluetooth device like laptop, TV, mobile, etc. It has also got an inline microphone for hands-free calling. Down the bottom we have got solid grip, which helps in keeping the speaker in place, and the speaker is unmovable. Now let's test the sound and mic of the speaker. The music you are hearing right now is from the Bluetooth speaker. Should you buy the YST-175? There is a very little criticized for this speaker. The price will not be a deciding factor. And if you decide to spend 700 rupees on this speaker, you won't have any regrets. The sturdy sound and build quality is a solid choice if you are not looking to pay a top dollar. As you can see, this speaker is unmovable. This may be the best budget speaker for you. And anyway guys, thanks for watching. The audio output is really good, but doesn't have a good bass. The treble is not as expected, but considering the price point, you can't really complain about it. The clarity of sound is excellent, but it has slight disturbance in the volume if the volume is high. The pitch of the speaker is also perfect. The highs and lows are also pretty good. Now I am going to put the microphone to the test.